Well, they did it to us again. YouTube demonetized us. And no more money from my videos. I mean, come on, what the hell? I mean, how am I supposed to pay for my studio? All my camera gear? I mean, come on! What the hell? How am I supposed to justify the hours I spend in bed editing videos when I should be taking care of my kids? So, like a lot of people did today, I received an email from YouTube telling me that basically I don't have enough subscribers and enough views to be monetized anymore. They've changed their monetization requirements again. They seem to really enjoy doing that. But, you know, I know this affects a lot of people out there, and I'm sorry, but when it really comes down to it, it doesn't affect me at all. I'm a small YouTuber, and I don't do it for the money. I'm not interested in making money off of YouTube. I make videos because I enjoy it. My family is spread all over the country. It's a nice, easy way to keep in touch and for them to see what's going on in my life. And I enjoy making videos. I've been making videos since I was a kid. And it's a lot of fun. It's a good hobby. And I enjoy it. Making videos to me is just fun. I'm not in it for the money, not in it for the fame. I do it because I enjoy doing it.